Shubor nagashlam jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Ketenat Kakot Yakia Kajela Oba ALHEC Henekesni Harangkat Dr. Amanwar DHSMI Kelalek ya kendu ke Dr. Betkinas ke Betrai Hapo Civil Hospital Shillong Banai Mensimiki Habai Day Berkejing Ai Jing Sumar Jungki Yakinong Pang Kibayo Yakaklam COVID Kat Kandai Habai Kren Bet Surgeon Superintendent ka Civil Hospital Dr. Andres Dekar Ulayatu ba Nagaliang Jongkani ka Jaka Ai Jing Sumar Kilai kendu jing nakadau ba kiduna kijaka tia Henry ki kermen ba kinla banai jing sumar ya kipat ba da ke jingerap jong ka sarkar habai keren ba du Dr. Amanwar ulayatu ba sarkar kala aibor ya ki bantungi ki nong trai lada ki don kam ula kentui ki pat ba bagi de ben perkhat lem ba ban penduna ya ke jingkia jong ki nong trai hak tenat ka kot ya kia da ka ba bur renti ya ki jingbita ki ba sarkar kala ai.
We have DL-Night 24/7. We are really grateful and thankful to them. That's why we want here to motivate our doctor, we want to encourage them to build confidence in our health workers, particularly the doctor, nurse and all the health workers in this hospital. The DHSMI is here, he will tell you about the situation in the entire state.
Yeah. See, the situation in the entire state, now we are having cases across the state after a lull. And the station, as we have already told, is grim. And to overturn this situation, our health workers are going full swing 24/7 and unnecessarily don't tire them. This will pass. It will pass with your help and with our help. Together, we can make it and we will sail through. As of now, as I've already said, the situation is not good. And once we say that from our side, we mean kawai namantai kinong tray kawai command power wagin laban thung kat kung kating dan kam hang no badan kam midang kata kila ai bor ini wagin lale kunta tang ba kawai kada ka silong mangi haban tentu ya ki pa nang sungsnong ki haban tip ba kinong tray ki jongi ki batre ki hapo ki hospital ak kadan bo fair kindai bi ki ju te lada ki jing betha jang sarkar phimbot kamut kin penkhia ya ka jing tray ka jong ki health workers ki jongi ki batre haki jaka semua kabaar ka bangi menta bangan ban yang saisin ki basitam ni haki hospital barakat ki deitu bakam ai vaccination kadba gini ki bayo vaccination kam nak tajur ki lekam hamjur ki deitu bakam pat yo vaccination ya kata ngong ye ki substance dan sejrok ka immunity jong kini ki substance chapo kadang khan yele hikat bala tamo wat la kataru yim kensting naman ni kidan katukat ni ibadan ba kiwe jingpang ba ibamdan jingpang ru kani ka kelam ka pemerintah ka katalut napang bayo kijintia ban penbun ya kijaka ajik sumar nakaliang ka sarkar ta shim kilat kata ban penbun ni corona care center kum ka civil hospital karang dai tang sa pho jingtia ndrei ta ka jing trai sitaw nakaliang jong kinong penya ke hospital kinong trai ke hospital kilala ban penbun ni kita kijintia nang ban ai gading sumar ni gini gi bastam but kiman si ban kendri apat ya kinong pang syakatai gi building but ban ai gading sumar ya kini gi balaham kat hangtai patkan kelakum ke covid hospital itu rekam kadang ya serang nomor boros kata di corona care center mentang kau tolong ke covid hospital sispa dia kawai bangin dan kambun di jintia tang naman tak kimi bat kelong apo ganis das kata ro sispa dia haka to new building ka ba thamai manta kam kadang ya cha pan penbun ya ki cylinder nam ta oxygen kata ro nakaleng sarkar ngidang ya touch that on pendiang cylinder pendiang oxygen but i so keman ba kani ke building mentah hakani hai ki ka covid ward ka nakalian ka sarkar kini kala ai yang ka oxygen generator but shen ka tu oxygen generator nakal awan hakani ka yim mo kita ada pisna mentang buang ni kani kan fit ya kani ka covid ward hang ni kumjuru apa Ganesh Das nakalian ka sarkar kini kala ai ki oxygen generator RPHS Hospital, Nongpo Civil Hospital, Tura Civil Hospital, Juwai Civil Hospital, but mentang ila beteng sa kiwi-kiwi ki district hospital warkot ki bawan na UNDP but po UNICEF. Kasi kun kadang yat, udi kunyang ru udang yat hamat, and to stay inside your house, your homes, where it is the safest place. If you come out, you spread, you will be spreading not only to your neighbors, but inside your own house. When you come out, the 3 cardinal instructions which we have already given all this time, mask, now we are wearing double mask, sanitization, and social distancing. These are still the key points.
Dan pagpapamot ki case dan ibu akadika building dan nakikiba lang serious ro te ngidan shiphamon kada ketika ira extend ketika new building te total ngidan minta sampu pamot kinempang but kendian mun naki kembakas pamot re ki hamstop jure minta te kini kita latest position hot ngidan bol ki brang one test lah ka ni ga jaka jumi dan kitu kiba niyo poster dari kiba ki hamda shitam ya dan ki shitam mulmala ka bang yang ki bat bi nidang khana ki saki isolation itang itu kiba serius tentang itu ki bi badan komorbid ki badan kumka functioning bat ki tentang hypertension bat ki jupang dan ibu lang ki ni dari itu kiba ndani ai ba sudan tak ki shit mulmala ni jorfa mulmala ni khana ki saki yang ada isolation. So ki challenge ki bang yo kade ibn ko ya ka lack of space ni dan dia total menakani ni dan kembas how po te mentang ila increase dia akan di building but ante going ni dan kemba how po hi ni nang ila kan create te total kami kembas sapu ab dia ni lebih kani ka search ke bami menta lang nang la na ban tackle but ni ka bed capacity taring sedang benilai ban pen but مثلا لدى قدم شيء research كده من approach government kayak itu dan right kumba la ang isa mentar mangin khang ikani ka we ka building ru ngimnot marba ni dam ki nang pam ki kham tam hang le bile radiotherapy chemotherapy ki bon bhag cancer patient ru ki dan ski ki nang pam ka dan ru ki pam ada ngimnot dan khang ke kan covid sai idang function he du